Hip mobility, so in the rotation component, so in this 90-90 position, you're gonna come with both legs at a 90-degree angle, okay, to start. If you're getting pain or pinching in this back hip, or this is uncomfortable, you can do a few things. So you can bring this foot in, and that'll take away some of that. You can also elevate yourself on a block or a pad of some kind. And then from there, what you're going to do, we'll start with the front leg. You're going to push the hips back and come forward, chest forward, spine nice and long until you find the stretch in the back of this hip here. Should be a mild to medium stretch. We're gonna hold for about 30 seconds, okay? And then you're going to start to drive the leg down into the floor. So 30-second hold, then you're going to start to work this leg, okay? So this knee is gonna press down, and then the ankle, think 1 pound at a time. So if I were to try and lift your leg here, okay, you wouldn't be letting it. So you're driving that down, you're gonna hold that for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, okay? And then what I want you to do is start to slowly lean back, and you're going to bring it with you. You're literally going to lift your entire leg up off the floor. So lean back, sit up nice and tall as much as you need to lift. Think about driving through this heel up toward the ceiling, okay? And you're gonna hold 5 to 10 seconds, okay? And 3, 2, 1. Then you're going to come back into it, but when you come back into it, I want you to think about continuing this inside contraction. So you're actively pulling yourself into the stretch. Your leg is pulling up, your hips are pushing back, and your chest is coming forward. Okay, eventually you're not gonna be able to keep it up off the floor, but I want you to still try and find that same muscle contraction, okay? So this is the regressive contraction of this muscular angle. Pulling yourself in, okay? You're gonna hold for another 10 to 30 seconds, however much time it says for you to stretch, okay? And then you're going to push back out of it. So drive that knee down into the floor, down to the shin, 1 pound at a time, up to desired intensity, okay? Hold for designated amount of time, usually be 5 to 10 seconds, okay? 3, 2, 1, slowly push yourself out of it. Start to pull that leg up with you, okay? Hold 5 to 10 seconds, or designated. Good. Pull yourself back into it. So try and keep that leg up off the floor. It's not going to stay off the floor, but we want to keep trying to work these inside muscles. You should feel that on your adductors, maybe a little bit in your calf. Okay, but that all working as you push the hips back and pull yourself maybe a little deeper into this stretch. Okay, so this is working external rotation, kind of isometrics in the progressive and regressive angles of the